Today's video is about the camera that I'm using to film today's video, which is the Datavideo BC-15C. From a previous video, you may have learned about the Datavideo BC-15P, which is a great companion to 4K PTZ cameras, but the main difference between the Datavideo BC-15P model and the Datavideo BC-15C model is that the P model only supports two lenses. There's an eSport lens or wide lens and a standard lens. The Datavideo BC-15C stands for its C-mount lens support. C-mount and also CS mount with the included CS mount adapter ring. And what that does is it offers more lenses and more options to get coverage with the Datavideo BC-15C. However, the main lens that we recommend is the 3.9mm to 10mm Computar lens, which we're actually using right now to film this video. It's a variable zoom lens, and it's also a varifocal lens. So there's two lens elements. You'll have to use the rear element for zooming and the front element for focusing. There's a little bit of play in between the lenses, and honestly, it takes a little getting used to, but you're able to achieve really great bokeh, really great, beautiful, almost cinematic looking images, and it's really impressive with a camera of this size. There are also other supported lenses on the BC-15C product page, which is also linked in the description of this video. Both the P model and the C model of the Datavideo BC-15 have all the same great features. They both have low latency, they both have 4K at up to 60 frames per second on the HDMI output, they both have live streaming, they both have PoE support, power over Ethernet, they both have tally lights, and they both have a 3.5mm audio jack for bringing in external audio. Everything is the same, except the Datavideo BC-15C has a different mount, and also on the side you'll notice that there is a DC iris input, and this is for powering lenses to have electronic iris support. To learn more about the Datavideo BC-15C, there's a link in the description of this video to go to the BC-15C product page. Once again, everything in this video was shot with the Datavideo BC-15C. Follow us on social media to stay up to date with everything new coming out from Datavideo. We have a really exciting year ahead of us with new 4K and HD live video production solutions. Subscribe to us here on YouTube for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.